was West Palm Beach calling. Never mind that. All right, so during this historic snowstorm that we had, which has provided us with up to 20 inches altogether of snow so far, we have struggled mightily to find a place where we can get food to eat, or a place to just, you know, fuel up, or a place to go to the bathroom. It's been a real challenge. And today you're gonna see some happy faces right here. This is part of our, look, my husband's smiling, because you're gonna see some happy folks here because, you know, we found an open McDonald's about a mile from here. Yeah, and we bought a bunch of food and drinks, and so everybody's happy because, you know, these guys, especially that are shoveling the walks, it's been estimated, depending of course on how many hours you work at it, but it's been estimated that the average adult male that shovels walks all day long in this kind of industry can burn easily 10,000 calories in one day. So it's a lot of hard work, a lot of heavy labor, and even those people, those of us in the industry or the crew that let me do this here real quick, that does not shovel that does not shovel snow. There's our customer over there. You know, everybody's kind of working hard. They really are. So think about that next time you think about people that are out here battling the elements, doing good things for other folks as best we can. Yeah, but we still like it. And you know that stuff I was telling you earlier about how it's so hard for us to find a place to get some food to eat, or whatever? Well, sometimes we just get lucky. We came to this one customer's location here, a Papa John's. So we got the crew going. The crew. Can I go in and buy me a soda? There's no place to buy. My husband was going to go in there and buy a bunch of pizzas for the crew. We try and provide them with at least one meal a day, but today, you know, we've been working a little bit longer than usual, and so we decided to just go ahead and get them pizza for the evening. Guess what happened? This Papa John's location had some pizzas left over. They're ready to go home. And so they treated us to a bunch of free pizzas. How great is that? So, kudos to Papa John's. We really appreciate it. And trust me, this crew, including my hungry husband, this crew is very thankful for that very nice gesture. There they are, taking a quick little break.